Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about multi-tools. Now I only have two of them. I first have this one, PowerFX Profit. Now this one is made in Germany and I had it for some quite time. It was very cheap. I think I paid a little bit over €5 for it, but it was good, but it was not as durable as I needed it to be. As you can see, I damaged the pliers quite quickly, so if this part was not able to hold on, then most likely the other things on it will not hold on as well. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna need another one. So I gave this one to my father, and he carries it around every day. He lent it to me for a video. After that, I bought myself a Leatherman Mute. I bought it used. It was very cheap, and it has been in a lot of quite weird places with me. It has been completely submerged in water, lost in the forest for a day, a lot of things, and it has always been able to do everything that I needed it to do and survive completely intact. Yeah, it has, of course, pliers, this little kind of a needle. I don't really know what this is for. I am assuming it is for an AR, because it was told to me that this Leatherman is supposed to work with an AR. Of course, it has screws and a hammer, a bottle opener, this rope cutter, some other knives and saws. This is, I believe, a pin punch. It is not, let's say, 100 tools in one, but for most of the things that you are going to need a multi-tool, this is going to be your friend and it will do it. This one will also do it, but this one will probably last you a year, and this one will last you a lifetime. Now, of course, the price difference is quite big. If you look at the new Leatherman, I believe this one is the older model. I think there are two models, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but one of the reasons why I bought this one is, like I said, it is supposed to work with an AR, and I am planning to buy an AR in a very near future. So yeah, this is probably one of the main reasons why I bought this Leatherman Mute. But if something like this is the only thing that you have, you will most likely be completely fine. So yeah, this is everything for today about multi-tools. The video today is going to be even shorter than otherwise, because to be honest, there is really nothing much to say about them. Everybody has seen them, everybody has them. So yeah, this is a quicker video. Goodbye.